Hello guys, hari ini aku akan main Killer Scarecrow sama adik saya Luna.
Sama. Ini abang saya, Jemery.
Oke, nanti aku coba dulu set set timer grace period 5 seconds. Oke.
Saya pusing-pusing aja.
Oke, jom lah start game.
Oke, jom. Aku lah nanti.
Wait, jangan dulu, wait. Aku ada idea.
Apa ini ya?
Nanti aku tukar dulu timer nih.
Coba.
4 minutes.
PvP?
Oke, iya PvP. Oke.
Bye abang. Aku itu nanti kena susah dicari. Sebab saya indah kena easy cari.
Ya, ini.
Akan aku itu ulang lagi.
Yeah, the timer already start.
Aku itu nggak tahu.
Oke, aku lang start.
Mana tahu guys. Jangan cakap sama aku tadi kok. Cakap apaan?
Pero ako lang yung hantu. Look at me, magic. Oh, winner magic. Yeah, that's the problem. I cannot find you.
It's easy. I'm in the trees.
Do you
There's
mean,
a secret base in the trees.
what do you mean secret base?
Just click it. Please.
But there is no thing as secret button.
Just click it. That's it. I'm gonna
Okay, I'm actually lost.
It's fine. I'm just a scared.
What am I Jackson go down? Yeah, but okay, I found you, Kisha.
Let's go. Let's go play in the garden.
Don't eat
Don't eat me. Don't eat me up. Don't eat me up. Don't eat me up. Don't eat me up. I'm just a little bit. I'm 5 foot. I'm just homeless. I don't know where to be.
Oh my god, why am I?
And by the lane around the road.
Stop running! Stop running!
Why should I?
Stop running!
I'm not your mama. You're my mama.
Yes!
Why do you make me uncomfortable?
What? Okay, let's start again. PvP. Why am I a scarecrow?
Because you are a scarecrow. If you fight with me. What are you? Where are you? Where am I? I'm lost.
Where are you? Where are you?
I don't know. I actually don't know because
Because I'm stuck. Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up, eat
where did you get
it up.
stuck?
Where are you?
I'm gone.
No, you're not.
But I just make mine.
Ito, pagutok dito lang, Chess.
My name is disappearing.
Bukan, nama kau itu memang hilang. Aku rasa di dalam game ini kasih lari nama supaya senang untuk kapok. Yeah, that's the problem.
I'm dancing. I'm shaking my goodies right now. I'm stopped and I'm shaking my goodies.
Ah, Gisha, ito yung ate kita win. Ano?
Shaking my booty. Shake my booty. Let's stop.
I think kasi di dalam barn or something, no?
No.
Barn. What the hell?
Not all. I'm dancing right now.
Ay, tiso.
I'm just a little kid. I don't know how to find my parents. Find me. I'm just dancing right here. Please just find me.
Baby, you gotta hurry, baby.
Find me. Why are you not finding?
Because I'm lost.
Where are you?
Kau yang di mana?
Di mana? Aku tahu bagi tahu kau. Let's keep.
Yeah, but I need an answer. Where are you?
Okay, aku tutup dulu. Okay, let me see.
Where are you?
You're not so hot.
Hot itu close ka atau
Hot.
hot itu close ka atau tidak?
Tidak.
Oh, okay, cold itu dekat.
Hot. Still hot. Hot. Hotter than the boiling water.
Hindi min barang wala mati lang ako.
Hotter than boiling water.
Ano mati lang ako. Sige sudah timer ni.
Nani, sorry. Aku itu menangkap. Kau mau menyanyi.
Yung ako siya mati gawin. Ya, basta lang ako. Siya pinang dito mo ka. Pwede. Behind the tree. Dito lang. Okay, okay. Wow!
I actually lied. He actually called. I'm just an old granny.
Okay, Kisha, kau boleh yang tekan.
I'm just an old granny.
Cepat.
I'm just an old
Cepat.
I'm
Aku-
granny.
Aku pijak. Kau, aku pijak.
Aku
Aku-
granny.
That's it, aku miss kau.
I'm granny.
Cepat lagi, Kisha.
Granny.
Cepat. Okay, kita out cakap I.
Lari! Agay belum lagi aku.
Viewer.
Make me have time to run, brother.
Kita try. Okay, try AI yang kejar kita.
Try AI.
PE.
Tapi AI itu bikin takut.
Okay, lari. Cepat.
Lari.
Because I know AI. And AI is actually very strong. Then AI ito not like us, Kisha. He know where we are.
You know where we are? Then that's chill!
Yeah, di ako jarkaw ka.
Nope, it's not right. I think it's close by Italian.
No, I think he chasing you.
I think it's Italian.
Yeah, Kisha, I think he's chasing you.
No, I'm chasing you!
Oh my God, Kisha, ako ini kan kejut aku.
Chasing you!
Kita together dulu. Kita di macam kita di pokok ni dulu.
Poko.
I lost.
Ito lang ko tari.
Kia lari.
Lari. Uro.
Kisha dia biar.
Tolong. Machi. Aku kena stuck. Lari.
Okay guys, itu saja. Bye.
Yo, natulog.